my name's Fiona and welcome back to Craft by Rose, or if you're new here then welcome. Please do consider hitting the subscribe button and then turn on your notifications bell. That way you'll get a notification of when I upload another video and you won't miss out. To today's video, I have an unboxing for you. This unboxing comes to us from Diamond Art Club. And as we can tell by the blue stripe on the side, this is going to be a square kit. So let's turn this over and see what I've got. So I have several Richter's Violet. And as I said, this is a square diamond painting. It is 27.6 inches by 34.7 inches. Or if we're talking centimetres, that's 70 centimetres by 88 centimetres. So that's a little bit larger than Diamond Art Club's standard size. For Diamond Art Club, their standard size is between 56 by 71 or 51 by 76. It's normally around that mark for their average normal size diamond painting, I find. So this is a little bit bigger than their standard. So let's get into this kit, shall we? Oh, this is heavy. So we have our toolkit. And it just keeps going. So this is Diamond Art Club's standard square toolkit. So let's take a quick look to see what you get in their toolkit. So in Diamond Art Club's toolkit, square toolkit that is, they have a pair of tweezers. These are the sharp tweezers, so please do be careful and make sure you keep the sheath on them when you're not using them. Then we get a blue drill pen. We have a squishy or pen grip. We have a decent amount of spare baggies if you need to bag up some of your loose drills. You get a 4 multi-placer. You get 2 plates of heart-shaped wax and the clear drill tray. So that is what you get in your standard square toolkit from Diamond Art Club. They have recently started to upgrade their toolkits. They will slowly be phasing those in over the coming months. So do look out for the updated ones. Now let's move on to this kit. So all of Diamond Art Club's kits come in these polythene bags that helps to protect your canvas from any dust or dirt before you start your diamond painting. Which way is this going to be? That is a large pack of drills. Let's put the drills to one side for the moment. We have our step-by-step diamond painting instructions. So if you've diamond painted before, you're most likely not going to need this. But if you're giving this as a gift to someone, or you haven't diamond painted before, this will give you all the instructions you need to get you started. From opening your toolkit to hanging up your finished masterpiece, and you get a discount off your next purchase. So that's the instructions. And then we get this little sticker that you can put into your logbook. It will give you the name of the painting, the artist, a thumbnail of the image, the diamond shape and painting size. So if you keep a logbook, you can put that in there and note down your start, end date and anything else that you want to remember about doing that particular painting. Or you can use it for your storage purposes. So I myself personally don't have a lot of storage space, so I tend to stack my kits up this way and then I just plop that on the end like so. That way I don't have to go searching through every single kit to find the one I want to work on. And then we have our inventory sheet. Diamond Art Club's inventory sheet is on stick paper. So you get the name of the painting, which for us is Violet. The artist is Sarah Richter. you have the ability to put your start and end date, a larger thumbnail of the image, again the diamond shape and the diamond painting size. Then if you're a person that kits up into your Elizabeth Ward or your Harbour Freights or the 60 bottle containers, then you can use these labels to help you kit up a lot easier. And these labels are individually perforated, so you can just peel them off like so, and it makes it kitting that much easier. In this particular painting we have 31 colours, and this kit has it in 4 ABs. With Diamond Art Club, anything that's under 150 is an AB. If you've not diamond painted before and you haven't heard that term before, AB. AB stands for Aurora Borealis. That's an iridescent coating that's applied to the drills to make them sparkle a little bit brighter. It just adds a little extra bling to your diamond painting. So as I said, we've got 4 ABs in this kit. We have 125, 126, 136 and 141. So we've got like a minty green colour, we've got lilac, blue and white. So that is the inventory sheet for violet. Struggling over my words today, I don't know why. So Diamond Art Club's canvases do self-flatten, so if you leave them down on your work surface for 5 to 10 minutes, they will flatten on their own. However, if you want to speed that process up, so you can roll it back on itself, but please do be careful when you do this, because you can only do this on poured glue canvases. If you do this on a double-sided adhesive kit, then you'll most likely damage your kit canvas and you will not be happy with yourself. Would help if I've got it the right way around, wouldn't it? This painting is massive. Whoa, I think I underestimated just how big this is. So let's bring you closer to the canvas. So at the top of Diamond Art Club's canvases, you will notice that you get the Scalloped Edge. So you get the Scalloped Edge, and they are serged as well. That helps to protect your canvas from fraying. At the top we have Do What Makes You Sparkle, Diamond Art Club's motto. And then we have the Diamond Art Club and their little logo of a diamond. You have a legend on the top left. If I can get this to so big. Then we get another legend on our bottom right. On the bottom left hand corner you have a thumbnail of the image that you're about to diamond paint. This DAC and then the numbers afterwards is the SKU number. That's purely for the company's internal reference purposes. This, then you have the name of the painting, which for this is Violet. We have the size of the painting, 70 by 88 centimetres. Then we have the licensing by Sarah Richter and the trademark Diamond Art Club. Then at the bottom of the canvas in the middle we have all of their social media details. So that'll be easier this way. So you have their social media details, you have their Facebook page, you have their Instagram page, and it tells you to use the hashtag Diamond Art Club if you want your works in progress or artwork to be featured on their social media pages. And then lastly, on the bottom right you have the lifetime warranty. Their canvases come with a lifetime warranty and free missing diamonds protection from Diamond Art Club. Just contact them at support@diamondartclub.com, send them an email, let them know what the problem is and they will sort that out for you. I just loved this image. I love dragons and I love the colour purple and anything mystical and magical, so this really did call it out to me. So let's get you into the drill field. Not that I'm expecting any problems. Personally, I haven't had any problems with the symbol quality from Diamond Art Club. So let's just show you the canvas itself. I'm going to have to do this in sections to be able to show you properly because it's just too big for the work surface I have. So let's start at the top. So this is where the dragon is sitting on a cliff edge. Then here you've got the moon behind the clouds. You've got the elegant looking violet, the dragon. And with the colours that this has been charted in and the colours that Sarah Richard originally did, that the dragon in this really pops out from the canvas. So very much looking forward to seeing what it does look like once the drills are laid down. And then we come into the ledge opening of her cave where she's perched. Let's have a look at the drills. So we do have a large pack of drills for this canvas because it is 70 by 88, so it makes sense that we have such a large bag of drills, and I'm loving all the colours in this kit. So first up we have 318, then we've got 317, 37.99, which is your dark slate grey. Then you've got 33.26, nice light pink. Then we have our first AB. So AB stands for Aurora Borealis. That's an iridescent coating that's applied to the drills. It makes them sparkle that much brighter. So that colour shift you can see on top of the drill where it's going from pink to blue to silver. That is the AB coating. Then we have 3033, 210. We have 327. We've got 2 bags of 327. Then we've got 3727, nice blush pink. We have 2 bags of 3727. Then we have our second AB of this kit, which is 136. And you can just see that shimmer and sparkle on top. I love the AB coating on the darker shades. I find it's much more noticeable. And we have 2 bags of the 136 AB. So they're spoiling us with ABs. Then we have 3841. And we have 2 bags of 3841. Then we have our third AB. This is 126, so this is the lilac shade. Then we have our fourth and final AB, which is 125, which is an off-white. In the camera it's coming up a little bit like a green colour. It's more of a off-white in real life, so there's our 125. And then we have 3834, a nice maroon. We have 2 bags of 3834. Then we've got 154. a very dark maroon. I'm just trying to get that to show up the true colour for you. So that is about as close as I can get it to show. Let's see if it, so this side's a little bit easier to show you. There we go. So that's our first strip. We've got a second bag of 154, so we have 2. Then we've got 209. We've got 820, nice bright blue, and we have 2 bags of 820. We've got 208, 823, dark navy, we have 2 bags of 823, we have 38, 36, nice mauve, and we have 2 bags of 38, 36. We have nice mint green, 775. We've got 33, 25. We have 3 bags of 33, 25. We've got 799. We have 3 bags of 799. And then at the end we have a 938, which is your medium brown shade. It is coming up as a darker brown. There we go. So that's the more the true shade there. That's the 938, so medium brown. And we have some more 938 on this next strip. So 1 on there, 2, 3. So we have 3 bags of 938. Then we have 3371, which is your dark brown shade. We have 2 bags of 3371. Then we have my favourite purple shade, which is 550. I love that purple shade. And we have 2 bags of the 550. Then we have 310. And surprisingly, we only have 2 bags in this painting, so not very many at all, so that'll go quickly. And then we have 38, 37, another lovely purple shade. We have 797. We've got 2 bags of 797. Then we have 38, 35. We've got 2 bags of the 38, 35. And then we've got 1 colour left, which is our 939, which is a medium, I'd say a medium navy. Just trying to get that to show up. There we go. So that's true to colour there. And we have multiple bags of our 939. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now I need to get these back into the bag. So here is Sarah Richter's Violet. I hope that you've enjoyed watching this video as much as I've enjoyed showing this to you. If you liked this video, then please do click on the like button. If you would like to see more content like this and you're not already subscribed, then please do click on the subscribe button. And if you are already subscribed, thank you. Please do make sure you have your notifications bell turned on. That way you'll get a notification of when I upload another video. With that said, thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you all next time. Bye!